And yen get na TikTok, TikTok. Yen dia no. Yen get na TikTok didi. One more me because woman organizer to abema woman organizer, your deputy woman organizer, your deputy organizer, your deputy for Sancrophone in our henfa.
Yo, me that say. I could say something about you. We have been joined by an aide to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, our Auntie Ellen Ama Dako. Ebeya, Mesra say, Yaman just no Kasana, Ebia or other because of the campaign and stuff, then we can come back. Mammy, I brought no money, Auntie Beatrice in Pamucho. Mami.
No problem.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Yo, Auntie Ellen, good evening. Akwaba.
Good evening, The Voice. Abusia for me mamu nyina adwo. Mo amowa life isu nyina Mami Beatrice, Kwesi Mami ya Prince in Akwab so ho. Mo na mo life is no mo amowa ase ho nyina. Me mamu nyina adwo. Me de nchia susu free Dr. Baumia ho bremu. Se we wie Northern region. We are Northern region, meaning say Northern regions ni nyina we wie. 80 aka one region, the mighty Ashanti region. Tinyame boa ochna. Ochna na o move to Ashanti region. While sana ono was so honona na ye Hajia Samira so Ashanti region. 80 Hajia emso betwen no no mo aye ba kumienu bia bomuna Hajia enso I move back to Greater Accra makum or near 1 or 2 constituencies bia. Any eastern regions so say okukowie nyame adumunti 18 days na aka yeguso den na media menam TikTok you so na me betu say ye NPP asem nko ade a meba bra kwasi kasa no mete say the latter part no obusa say ye women organizers no omo we national the deputies me was special interest in this conversation because current woman organizer and me contesting 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Now me contesting no everybody felt to say 1 I was unknown, 2 party do free. The only place they knew said na me free ni say me wo bono. I was a party communicator in the Bunu region. Tina a young crop 111 say me nya akukudro po the temerity say obi say a national women's organizer. No or me mami straight. Say me contested. In fact, I do point they be kwasi me muade. Enye se na me muade o. Ana se na me ho abo me su bia na me ho abo me ho so ana me wo sika bi o me ni kapre. Up to now still kapre ni me bi. But na me nti ase say party to say NPP. Yetime tena se ma ye women's wing egu. Women's wing ukwa back into your history. A man penyufo bi to say Gladys Asma. Even the latest one crop by answer na Auntie Kate Eba. Your friend Madam Otiko Jaba. Munina muni. You know her work. Menkasa Auntie Kate wanye biu. Minti minkasa da mekasa kwa mi nipa bonini. But it was obvious to say she had come to the end of her work. No bread. It was obvious. The energy na ni here to push the party no. It was obvious that she simply didn't have it. And I felt to say, as a senka or tenetry, no matter younger ones, no, the opportunity. Na yensu yenko. Party for antiasia, my antiasia, almost sign a coffin ni bai. Maybe somewhere bushia 2024, mumusam MPP women's wing campaign.
Debbie.
Now we dream when I dream Yamami Otiko Jaba Mresupa. Just look at Otiko Jaba's time. Many constituency amamina uncle. Uko baby, but just a one money deep people said yes, that woman was here.
Yeah.
But any this time round, me imagine say me but me Hawa Koomson ni tipe na me say ejameja me support no. Because enye say ye nyina ye beko keke. Ye strong women's organizer. Anti Hawa Minister of State, one or experience or your penny, Miss or a penny Jamie. She's I mean, or one time uncle bit me out me. What experience? Why ye Minister of State? Your position moves why ye here sika. Now would they so part in him the wing? And I felt that she was the best candidate, or she is the best candidate. Me, I'll support Auntie Hawa. And I'm hoping saying Yamea don't know we near the deputies now or Befano. There will be strong deputies because it is obvious Auntie Kate deputies no. They were also not strong.
Okay,
They were not strong.
Auntie, let me be so assembly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so this evening, no, I am not happy with the fact, say, as our party, we are doing selective implementation of our constitution. In the sense that Prof. Ripon Boateng yesterday had an interview, and 24 hours later, no, we received communique from the party, say they are starting a process to expel him from the party. But I believe that looking back, the past even 3 years, or even just last year, no, Honorable Kennedy Ogine Japan has said worse things than what Prof. Ripon Boateng has said. Now, I remember, say, last year, around September, our General Secretary was on Asempa FM, and he said, say, it is because of the primaries that they are not really implementing the constitution of our party or the rules, and that after 31st of January, that is when they were going to start the full use of the rules. Within that time, Alestete misbehaved, and also Bempa misbehaved, and the likes, all of them were misbehaving, including Honorable Ken. But my view was that because we were told that at 31st January, that is when they will take action, I was, okay, let's allow this to slide. So why is it that 31st has not come, but for Fripon Boateng, you are taking action, and as for the rest there, let's wait for 31st. What is happening to our party? That's the question.
My brother, I know dear, you would have to ask the General Secretary and his team. Because as I said, me election, you didn't give me I wasn't given the opportunity. So I am not part of the National Executive. Why they decide to pick and choose, only God knows. Because Ubekaya, your General Secretary, okay, you're the
Yeah.
because Ote Abronya and Kaseye. Maybe too, when you say Abronya, no, I am a regional chairman. I vote, my vote is in the regional chairman. I don't agree with Abronya on a lot of things. I don't. But when it comes to issues of the NPP, you cannot say Abronya has not defended the NPP. And dear. You might not agree with a person. But when it comes to issue of the NPP, the party, eti na wontimi nka so obi die enye wo be yi wani we bi no so na wa yi anwere ya ane mo nkwati nsem a Professor Frimpong Boateng wakokeka akire no wase didi na tam kura so o san ye fake ono kodua de ye fake or they say na bi ye fake. In fact we didi o mu nyina atem asi and aba ye di bot achi no ese sa aba na ye di bo ba wontimi nkofa aba na mfa ngbot achi nko anu agya ba ho. And see how they are going to deal with Professor Frimpong's matter. That's one. It's up to the party and its leaders. And I don't know why they are doing what they are doing. But it is clear, say, after 31st, you know, young social party for your delegates, no. You Dr. Baumia, yeah. As I say, you doing say your party, your presence, and your bum.
Okay.
Right from the police station all the way to the national level. And I say, young NPP for yeah, doing. Send enough is enough.
Nana B na kasa kura wasamo pamono. Nana B no mom pamono. Or you stupid man. The food said you should
I am critical. Me pacho. And I say yeah doing. As a party say, one, we are going to look for leaders who are one matured, two disciplined, and three they can do the job. As I say, yes, because Dr. Baumia as a candidate of the party, a flag bearer of the party, he's matured, he's disciplined, he is competent. ATSC assign command a party with leadership and so almost here matured, competent, and disciplined. That the two of them can combine and win this power. Leaders are matured, emotionally intelligent, no competent. You ever had Dr. Baumia? And to me, I am a day. Say primaries ne first. Eti ye leader na ye nyana na. Ne ya hwa so ne yi ne so nipa for the party positions. Won't mini Dr. Baumia nya adwuma it's as simple as that.
Okay. Yo.
It's as simple as that.
Yo.
Because me no mentia nienti ankrofo bi edinsem hunu. Our party mu akeka nsama akesi in some na Kennedy Japan country. Nancy ya barely 3 days ago. One question I'm true about Adenda. Didn't you go a lie? Plain-faced lies. Bringing the name of the party into disrepute. Yet what is some general secretary about? Someone says about. And to me at this point in time, so I no me person can because 18 days to an election. Let's get Dr. Baumia elected. Niakano, it will fall in line. I just think it's a people who are competent. But at this stage, we've got nothing. We've got nothing to lose.
Right.
We've got nothing to lose. So we might as well do it and do it well.
All
Now
right.
yet me back into power early. Now see a better na ho aye say adwuma ya ho basa say dia. Near where adwuma ye. But I am there, as I said, say ye pick ye flag bearer na first. The flag bearer no ordinary na be from to make sure say team ebe boa no omo no be support you no de omo aba. Sa na say ye no. Eti anyi media me fa ha ebe da mo ase. Na me be encourage mu. Na ma say asra mo say me sra wo ye delegate wo ha. Ye to abana ma Dr. Baumia. Unim delegate bi nsusu a mesrew. Ka kire no say it is Dr. Baumia. Ye papa no from Pomboa team ne nya hota maklo no ne omo keka hui. Omo aye yi o NPP na ama omo aye nipa. Their time has come. Omo aye ne omo aye be ye awie. They should quietly leave the party or sit at the back and let the young people and ne edu yen so menewo and ne yen na party na edu yen so when they were coming into the active politics they were around our ages, late 30s, early 40s. Maybe tell me 43 years. I am sure you are also hitting your late 30s or you are in your 40s. Ni sister years. Mirenie. Eti asi e ka che papa no se ma ye bi. Eye. Montina se. Na panyi wolf Professor Fempo Aboati we dey 80 years. 80 years. What is it? What do you want again? Nya hota makro. When the more than 80 years. When the party enia na do 8 years or the tina power when the nania aden. Mean enu kwenti na asema general secretary kan me ne ya aden. Eye abruso. Ana we ye nipa bone for sa. Ono bi kan ye wura kwabna dufo. Ase oji se kwabna dufo NDC no woman na nije ho. You think that he has been treated fairly? Na nka ye de John Mahama gina ho na ye de kwabna dufo gina ho. Why na nka so be the president? Nanso otiase for his own good enne na attorney general amani 60-40 yo. E ka twetwe there or di Ghana no ye the 40% a channel. Just because his government is in power. The license is in they will restore it. And whether you pay or he will not pay, that one the attorney general so on 40 or you enjoy me no ye me sure say the banking licenses now ye for all the niamo omo ye no it will be restored to him. It will ye panyin now to party mu a wodwen kwala ho na wadwen party no ho. NDC, they don't have things easy like that. NDC, they are not having things easy like that. They also have issues. But say you to me, I didn't quasi some day. You to me, I be doing some phone there. Beka boma to me, I be doing some phone. Sometimes I send people for yes, sir. Yeah, to me now, your family doing some phone. Yeah, the Ghana ye. I didn't know young come from near yes, no one young kokra 80 years, near them. They are just pissing in, and spoiling the whole matter. Anyway,
Yo, thank you
good
so much.
evening to everybody. I'm off. Have
Thank
a
you
good
so much,
evening.
Auntie Ellen, for coming through. Ebushanfo, also thanks to Mami Abronoma and Auntie Beatrice for allowing Auntie Ellen to speak. All right, Mami Abronoma.